Welcome to the good stuff where I discover and discuss new things from time to time. Today's video is about the fascinating world of mirrored or observational learning. We all learn new skills, traits, and talents in different ways. However, what's so special about mirrored learning that I had to make a video about it? Well, let's find out. Now, this is a method I have replicated in every field of my life so far, and it's almost magical. Observational learning is learned talent or behavior that one gets by observing others, in particular someone inspirational. You have seen the simplest example of babies who also learn to smile at a very young age by imitating. Starting with the first step, which is all about attention. So you have to pay very close attention to the behavior of your ideal or inspiration. In my case, it was the famous football player Lionel Messi. In your case, it might be someone else. So you pay very close attention to their behavior, to their activities, to their actions. Then step two is all about retention. So you retain whatever you see by visualizing yourself doing it as well. And the big advantage over here is for the visual learners because they're easily able to do it. Step three is very important. It is about reproduction. You have to replicate the moves, the skill, whatever actions your ideal does in exact way that they do in real life. So just obsess with it as much as you can. The best thing you can do is imagine yourself doing it during the daytime. It's like daydreaming basically. So the best thing would be to just think day in and day out about what you're doing, imagining yourself doing it. So you can see I used to emulate these movements of Lionel Messi, watching them in slow-mo, and that's what I replicated. And finally, I would like to add two more steps to it, namely motivation and reinforcement. Now, it's easy to lose interest if you don't do well initially. However, you need to visualize your end goal. That is, you imagining yourself doing these actions. You would dream of doing it in precisely the same fashion as you can see your ideal doing it. And finally, whenever you make a little progress, make sure that you reward yourself. Now, that is very important because after all you worked hard for this, so then you obviously deserve some reward. And keeping all of this in mind, remember, a little by little progress is better.